Hello, hello, hello. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, great, enjoying having fun in your lives, and you are enjoying this summer. So, the most important thing that you all are not forgetting to like, subscribe, and sharing my channel. And I hope you guys are doing it because if you will do, then I will be able to bring more lovely videos about lovely topics for you guys. Just tell me, just let me know what you wanna see in my videos, what kind of content you want. Then I will make the videos on that kind of content. So look at this beautiful living room. Oh my god, the white and wooden contrast. It's just killing. It's just lovely. It's amazing, guys. In this video, you are gonna have a idea of very beautiful color contrast for your living rooms ideas and your walls decoration ideas, everything, and you're gonna love it. And you are gonna let me know in the comment section you're loving it or not, what you wanna see, what you like in it or not, because when you guys will let me know, I will be able to bring more stuff what you want in my videos. Look at this beautiful wooden floor design. Oh, the skin white and brown contrast. It's just so lovely. It's just so pretty. The wooden floors looks just so good. Look at this. The beautiful white rug and white stitch furniture. Oh, this is so cute. The couch and cozy room. This is just lovely, guys. You all are gonna like it, and I hope and I know you all are gonna do at least one change according to this one, so your living room look like this. So guys, we'll come again in the next video, and I know and I hope you guys are gonna like my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Bye bye, tata.